Kuble Pibaro Shakatuk Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Kimat Makong San Mentagas ni Shillong. Penkuk buram ke Motorsports Club of Meghalaya yau bantai lang jerwa bat ujedin nong cloud ki Samla nya tuk bapau nam ke Jylla. Ban khanglat ye ki banabar ha ka Electoral role lek bu dorkhas ke hito ha CEO. Na ke jingja bathai dynamite ha thangso ke sarkar kalale yala ke kamram. Bat arpuai hajar klur tingka lapelut ha ke jingtai buli hak than chitai lamingi ong ke shazia ilmi. Bat mentangin pa shiki Khubor bakampanya. Ke Motorsports Club of Meghalaya ha ke khatlai terik Rymphang arhajar arkun riu kalapun kuk buram ya armut ki Samla bapau nam ke Jylla ki bele akai ha ke jinya thuk ki balajab ha ke jingile akai nya thuk ha ke Jylla bat shabar ke Jylla. Yakini ki armut ki Samla ubantai lang jerwa arpu pras nem karta bat ujedin nong klau khat pras nem karta lapun kuk buram ha Shillong Press Club. Habai kren bat kilat pathai Khubor u President ke Motorsports Club of Meghalaya uba Eugene Yangti uloong bikini ki armut ki Samla ki bajab ha ke jingakop nya thuk ha ke Jylla bat shabar ke Jylla kila yo ru ya ke jing ithu bat baitingka da ke TVS bat kalong ru ke Khubor ke ba aimin sim ya ki wei ki Samla ke Jylla bikin mi syakmat bani shiminta hakum kini ki jat jingile kai.
Okay, on behalf of the Motorsports of Meghalaya, Club of Meghalaya, it is truly an honor and privilege to welcome you all at this special facilitation program. Today, we gather here to celebrate excellence, dedication and hard work. We are proud to honor Bantai Lang Jylla, a 3-time national champion in the MRF Supercross recently 2025-26, and Jaden Nongklau, who secured first runners-up in the novice category. Their achievement have brought immense pride not only to their families but to the entire state of Meghalaya. I would like to extend a heartfelt welcome to the parents of our champions, the respected media houses and notably our senior motocross riders from Shillong. Your presence makes this occasion even more meaningful. At this moment, I would like to take you briefly through the history of motorsports in our region, especially motocross and supercross. Back in the years 1996-98, a group of passionate friends developed deep interest in off-road racing on two-wheelers. The machines of that era were the KB100, the RX100 and the Bajaj SX. Professional riding gear were almost unheard. Tracksuits, football gloves, customized leather boots and chin guard inside the chest made from VIP suitcase were the normal gears. The best motocross tire combination would be a TVS off-road tire, an on-off tire, for which we would cut, you need to get that knobby, when you do knobby grip, you know, the front tire. And the rear tire will be a tire of a ESD, the 16-inch rim, the ESD, old Java ESD, that was the tire that being used. So why I'm telling you this brief history so that you come, what is supercross, what is motocross, how that it evolved in our state. So anyway, those were the challenging times. Participation in one of the rounds of national event was nothing short of a dream. The cost of logistics were beyond reach for most riders. Often the riders and his friends were everything, the mechanic, the manager, the tuner and the support team at that time. Yet despite the limitation, the passion was unstoppable. For many years, motocross has been organized through the region of the Northeast, and it seemed almost impossible for someone from our region to win a national. When it was impossible for someone to win from our region to win a national championship, it was just so impossible to win a national champion in all these years. But today, these two racing giants, Bantai Lang and Jaden, have made history. Today, the sport has evolved tremendously. The speed, the style, and the technology have changed drastically. Riders and machines are technically superior. The tracks have become more challenging, more airborne, and more intense. Professional riding gear and competitive bikes are now accessible, and most importantly, talented riders like Bantai Lang and Jaden have risen to national prominence, becoming true inspirations to this sport. Proof that dreams from Meghalaya can reach national platform.
Na ka jingma ya ka jingjille ki briu na shabar ka Jylla lembat ki bamdei ki nong India banwan rung sha ka Jylla Meghalaya. da ka ba pendonkam ban penrung kerteng lingba ke Electoral Voters ID ka ba lapelong ru ya ka Neutrap Integrated Territorial Organization ke hito Central Body ha ka khatlai terik Rymphang ban litbo da ka dorkhas Chief Electoral Officer Khuborjylla u Dr. BDR Tiwari ban pensngau syau banum pediang ye kinu ki brio banabar ke Jylla ki bathmu ban penrung kerteng ha ka electoral roll lingba ka adhar habakren shikila pathai Khubor u president ka seng u ba donbosco dakhar uloong ban pendonkam da ka adhar card ban yo ye ka epic ka bu jingma khamtam ye ka jingwan rung kerthep ki menderi ki bana Bangladesh lembat ni kiwe ki Jakarta bat uloong kebabiang baha ban pendon kamhi kedai bet kesernot na kidor bar shnong kedor bar raj kidor bar hima lembat kidor bar kur shu ulo ongru bakani ke jingdawa kedai na du usnam khat khandai spa an riu pun riu kabade kat kum ke asam accord kabala shim na du kapor beki yo kawe ke application kabatho du ba mn majau ubade MLA barim bat menteri hakaan bam kwai hadwaru blay ban pendon kam ya ka asam accord
CEO habaya day berkenaan SIR Special Intensive Revision. Temta sini lawan air kedor khas ba ya kan hakan kedor khas nila itu yu ba kemenungkong kat key point ke ba nila ekran kada halor ba mde ban pediang do adhar card nomor ru adhar card la ban yo nu nong Bangladesh bo wan chani la ni nu padu kreng ru hang ne hapo ka Jylla jungi don bodon de adhar card kala da pendon kam de adhar card ban yo e kata epic kabu jingma ya ka jingwan rung mendet bat ni tahu Bangladeshi bat kiwe hane ka pot Jylla jungi ban long price nong nang ba ka epic bat ka baar nila ay ka suggestion ba kidai ban pet ya kan ka ba dai ban ailat ba ban syaru ban pendon kam de kisrna jongki dorbar raj dorbar hima dorbar snong dorbar kur nang ba klai ba kajing dawa kajungi kadai ka cut off na tu snam khat na span de pandreo ka ba kat kum ka tu ka asama kot tangam da batai si jalan than ni kata ka asama kot ka kan na kan ni andre ishim bet na du ka tu por na mar ba hadu tu por ni yo ka wai ka red petition ki ka ba thok de ni ba MN majau bam pa war blai ba de ban pentri kam ni ka asama kot ni kata ka cut off year na du 1966 January tangi ngismo ba ka jingle ikan ka special intensive revision ka de ban be thik khnang ban la ban da kerthep namar ba ngi don tang kumba lai phola ndre mendel ba don hapo Jylla jungi pemla ban identify ban pemla ban detect la bon ha ban ada kumno up 100% don de hang ne hapo ka Jylla jungi na kata ka lai phola te hagani ka jingi ekran na kalyang jung CEO la ong ba ka de ka sensitive matter bat unsapha ru sapo ka sarkar kami kabadi pek kabadi kami ya kan ka election commission pan tu kin sapintip pating ya ka ai ka ba kin dei ba na ya friend show nomor ba ni songkhe kum ko boi na ki pressure group habe ya dei ya ka jing pandung kertep ki banamar hamtam pilai na ka por ka jing wandrung menderang ni pendon kam diki kin thai ka se jungi ban yo ya ka ta ka sernot yu kila pelong da kata ka kawai ka atiat ban wan sene sapo ke Jylla ke jungi kumi kita tak ada ngi songkhya ngi wan ani bangin ai ya kata ka suggestion ana ka jing kutu ya ka office jong chief electoral officer kutu ya kata ngalong ipi mentan ulong ba kani ka deka sensitive matter kutu klem kren ere phang ba kata ba ka ya tungko ka anjeni tai nomor ba ngala kut ya kutu kat kum ka sama kot but ngide bentip but pabar ngide bentip kane ka deka shedare kumikino de banai but kumikino de banai ka wat sarkar India ro limba kinu kita ki historical unique document songi ka ban pegune but kamla ro ban Shillong ba ban ya la
Dangshen ha ka jingjia bthei dynamite ha krem doyong ha thangso East Janta Hills district na ka jingti doyong bean de ki brio bakwa ban kamai spa jibo unong aiktin jong ka Bharat Janata Party uba MH Kharkrang ha bakren bat kilat pathai Khubor ha ka khatlai terik Rymphang uloong kumbalong minta ka sarkar ka lale la ka kamram ha kaba kala dep ru ban register case halor kate ke jingja bat kila don ru na pedeng ki bala subadon kti ki bala syakem. Nalor kata uloong baka sorkar kala dep bantung ya ke inquiry ban lap ya ke jing shisha baro. Bat uloong ru kan bha yengi ban ap banda dep ke jing toket.
Facts about it. In fact, before the state government announced any ex gratia payment, it was the Prime Minister who extended the ex gratia payment to these people. And now a case has been registered, arrests have been made. In fact, the government has set up a commission of inquiry also. And let's look at the terms of reference of the commission of inquiry, because ultimately it all depends on the term of reference. And if needed, that like it's not only about getting to know about the incident, how it happened, but I think so as members of the public, we would like to know what is the people involved behind all this kind of, I should say it's an open illegality which is happening. We have never denied it. Government has ultimately come up and admitted that these things have happened, and I think so it's fair for us to wait for the investigation of the government to complete, the police to complete.
The CM, supported by the BJP, is also holding the portfolio of forest and mining.
So
Do you feel that we should take moral responsibility? Yeah, last. You should take moral responsibility
You
and
want to stick
quit.
to budget actually. So
I mean, no, you said about the budget, but these are law and order issues.
No, it's okay.
Which is affecting the growth of the
please,
state.
please ask. Please ask.
Should he take moral responsibility and quit the post?
No, I so the thing is, you cannot have a chief minister quitting for everything that happens. What is the more important is what action has been taken by the government.
Yeah.
That is more important than quitting. So government has taken action, and let's wait for the outcome of the whatever the government is taking now. So let's hear from.
Hakajingwan jungo ka baningkong ya ka Jylla Meghalaya kanong aiktin jong ka BJP ka Shazia Ilmi kaloong bakamang tingka jong ka sorkar ha ka snem arhajar arpun riu kalong ka babiang bat pelit jing mut thik ya ka kam. Ya ka ni kalapan pau ha ka jingkren bikla pathai Khubor ha office terekam jong ka BJP ka bedon ha Shillong bat kaloong bakadeshi benta jong ka jingpen kala sya ka Viksit Bharat ka belas dang nadu ka snem arhajar khatsa. Shushu kaloong bakamang pisa kamday tang ka jingpen lut Henry kapin i ka jing tmu terekam ka bajingay na kabenta kari lembat ka roy kapar kabala ka dawru ha ka jingkiw ha ka surok ka karkhana ka puli puthi lembat ka jing sensyar ka bakhoj khamtam e ha ka than shatay lammi kaloong bapalat arpui hajar klur tingka lepelut ha ka jingtay puli ha ka than shatay lammi na do hajar khatsa Nalor kata kaloong ha Meghalaya ka jing pulut pisa pa kalakiw na kan riw hajar praspa khatway klur tingka hawar hajar khatsaw sya arpulay hajar saus pa inyo pun riw klur tingka bat kendai hajar riw spa klur tingka laay kum ki pisa antait lingba ka jingkiw ha kabenta khajna.
Our President, our Honorable Minister, our Chief Spokesperson here, and members of the team in Meghalaya. It's a young team, it's a very vibrant team, it's a very dynamic team. And I wish them all the best for the future. So we are here. Secondly, I just wanted to say something about myself. I'm a member of the Legislative Council in Bihar. I'm also the in charge of the party for Mizoram. So Mizoram is another very beautiful state and where the BJP is gradually spreading its wings. We have 2 MLAs in the state, but we are a growing party there in Mizoram. And budget publicity team, there's a 10-member team which has been formed by the central BJP. I'm a member of that team and given charge of the entire Northeast. So it's a privilege. I feel absolutely delighted to be here. I'm just going to give a round budget as a philosophy, and every budget is a product of the time. So, there was a pandemic in between, and because of the specific situation, extraordinary situation, the government, because so many people were dying and so many people were getting affected, people's purchasing power, whatever savings they had, it was going down. So the government started so many welfare schemes, which I'm from Bihar. schemes like 5 kgs of ration every month to every, which is still continuing. It was so well appreciated by the people. When we go to the people, they have a special word of thanks for Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji for thinking of the scheme and continuing with it. So, and likewise, there were so many other schemes which were started during the pandemic. And during the pandemic, because purchasing power of private investors, it was all getting affected. So the government decided, apart from spending a lot of money on the welfare schemes, to enhance the capital expenditure. Capital expenditure is the expenditure incurred by the government on the creation of assets like roads, highways, ports, buildings. So the capital expenditure, it has grown significantly since the pandemic. Last year, the revised estimate, capital expenditure estimate was 10.96 lakh crore. It has gone up to 12.22 lakh crore. And during, you would be surprised to know that this expenditure was only rupees 3.08 lakh crore in 2018-19. So you see the leap which capital expenditure has taken place. That is because private investment was not coming up because of a specific situation, also because of the economic slowdown in the world. So the government have to come forward to help the people. That is why there was an increase in capital expenditure. And as compared to the last year, there has been a 11.5% increase in capital expenditure, which is significant.
But da kini ki Khubor ngila poi shi ka bakot tar hadu pinde shem biang khuble shibot.